What should a person do if a divorce is being contemplated? Attorney Charles Morris explains that an individual who is contemplating a divorce should do what they can to have control over whatever funds they can accumulate or move into a bank account in their own name. It may take time to secure support orders and longer to collect on them. Depending on the assets of the community, we will tell clients to take half or all of what is in the bank account and put it in their own account. If their earnings are directly deposited into a joint account, they need to make arrangements for the deposit to be changed to their own account. Frequently, we have someone consult with us, and they already think they know how their assets should be divided. A significant percentage of women, but sometimes men, insist that they are going to retain the family residence. Very often, they are not going to be able to afford to keep the residence, but trying to explain this can be a challenge. We hear that they must keep the home for their children. The reality is that most children do not care about the home. It is far more important to be able to afford to keep the utilities on and provide food and clothing and maintain a backup fund in case the cash flow is disrupted. We often hear, "My husband and I have decided that he will let me keep the house if I do not touch his pension." It is usually relatively easy to dispel the notion that this is a generous offer. Usually, those women are accurately reporting the conversation they have had with their husband because we see many, many men who inform us that they must keep their pension and will give their wives the family residence in exchange. In some situations, the pre-divorce planning produces solutions to the problems that created the perceived notion that a divorce would improve the life of anyone in the family in the first place, and the divorce is averted altogether. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Charles Morris in California at 888-995-6960 or visit his website at www.semlaw.com.